Hey guys, it's a perfect day in Pittsburgh. Today we're going to be talking about how to drill ceramic tile and to do it fast using the right tools. There are two big problems when drilling holes in ceramic tile. Number one, it taking forever, and number two, when you actually get done, having chips in the edge of the tile and making it look unprofessional. If you don't have the right diamond drill bit for this, it could take forever, and you may only be able to drill a few holes in your ceramic tile before you need another one, and that wastes a lot of time and money. So it's imperative to have the right diamond core bit. This one by Montolit is called the Mondrillo Black. This is a premium diamond core bit. You can use it with both a drill and an angle grinder, and we'll show you how to do that. Today we're going to be using the FEIN WSG7 4.5-inch angle grinder. It has a 5/8 inch arbor on it. It also comes with a support flange. Most angle grinders do. Slide the support flange on like so. There's a button on the top of the WSG7. You want to press down on that. And then you can tighten the Mondrillo Black down onto the arbor like so until it's tight. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now this diamond bit can be used for dry drilling, meaning you don't need to cool it down with water. That said, if you feel like you do need to cool it down, if you're doing a lot of drilling, you can use Montolit's Mondrillo Performer cooling fluid. If you're cutting a lot of holes in ceramic tile, you can dunk your core bit into this and cool it down to elongate the lifespan of the bit. Just a few tips on safety. Always wear eye protection. Get yourself a silica dust respirator like this Sunstrom one, and some hearing protection and glove protection for your hands. I'll put links to the Sunstrom mask down in our description here because I really like it, and I think that you should use it if you want to stay safe. Begin the cut by positioning the core bit at a 45-degree angle to the top of the tile. Move it to a 90 and then use a wave-like pattern to complete your cut. As you saw, that took a few seconds, which is awesome. Now, before you do what I'm going to do next, unplug your angle grinder. There's a little hole right here. Just stick a screwdriver up in there, and you pop out the slug, the ceramic slug. And as you can see, there's minimal chipping around the hole. Again, start your cut by positioning the core bit at a 45, move it to a 90, and use that wave-like pattern to complete the cutout of the ceramic tile. You can use the cooling fluid by Montolit to cool down the core bit if you're making successive cuts in ceramic tile. It doesn't slow down the cut whatsoever, and it will prolong the lifespan of the Mondrillo Black. As you can see here, again, we're using that 45-degree to 90-degree method and the wave-like movement to make quick cuts. And even after the fourth cut, this core bit was just as quick as it was on the first one. In order to use this core bit with a drill, you need an adapter. So this part of the adapter goes into the drill, and the threaded side goes into the core bit like so. And as you can see, this just slides right into the drill, and you lock it in place. So let's see how this diamond core bit works with the drill. So we use the 45 to 90-degree angle technique again using the core bit with the drill. That doesn't change. It is going to take a little bit longer with the drill, twice as long as a matter of fact, and you have to ensure that the dust doesn't interfere with the cut, the cleanness of the cut, which it did in this case for me because it was the first time. But you can use your index finger here to carefully guide the core bit into that 45 and then to the 90 eventually. It will take about twice as long to make these cuts with the drill bit versus the angle grinder. As you can see here, there are 13 holes in this ceramic tile, and the Mondrillo Black continues to perform. The Mondrillo Black by Montolit is the real deal. As you saw, it cut through ceramic tile in seconds with either the angle grinder or the drill. If you want to buy this, we're going to put a link down in the description. That'll take you over to our online store where we sell these. Also the cooling paste and the adapter that you need for the drill if you're going to be using the drill instead of the angle grinder. Although I highly recommend that you use the angle grinder because it's awesome. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the test, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.